While you were voting, this quiet move stopped all hopes for silver price. Everyone's been glued to election coverage, but something else has been happening behind the scenes, and it's hitting the price of silver. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month, Kevin from Kentucky took home a 1/10 ounce of gold. Click that link I left below. Be the next winner on that list. Now, look at this. Here's what no one's looking at, and it's happening in the paper markets, where silver prices are made, not mined. While you're watching the polls, big institutions were shifting massive futures positions that decided the day-to-day price of silver. There are roughly 300, listen to this number, 378 paper ounces traded for every real 1 ounce of physical silver in existence. 378 to 1. That's the definition of leveraged. So when these guys dump contracts or pile on shorts, they can push the price down without ever touching an ounce of metal. That's the quiet move right there. Not a public policy, not a headline, just a silent, high-frequency selling that controls your silver price. And it worked. Silver's been stuck. It's not moving. We had momentum 3 weeks ago, but we have been quite stagnant for this metal. And this isn't free market movement. It's managed momentum. Now, this should sound good at first, but check it out. The U.S. government is planning to add silver to its official list of critical minerals. That sounds good, but look at this. Here's the problem. Once the government labels it critical, they start regulating, they start monitoring, maybe even stockpiling it. That turns silver from a free trading investment metal into a strategic resource, one that's more about industry than freedom. It changes the story from stack silver to beat inflation to silver's for the solar panels and the EVs. And once the market starts treating it like an industrial metal instead of money, the price ceiling gets lower. Listen to this. The U.S. Geological Survey's draft proposal included 38 materials, with silver joining copper, joining nickel, and lithium on that critical list, meaning regulation is coming. So while voters were picking candidates, the government was quietly picking winners, and silver might have just lost its wildcard edge. Here's the elephant in the room. Industrial demand. We all know silver is in everything now. We know it's in solar, electronics. With all the demand we've had for silver, why isn't the price screaming higher? And the answer is because the supply side, the miners, they're being held back by new rules, by taxes, by government red tape. Look, Mexico, one of the top producers of silver, they've been facing royalty changes and permit delays, and all of this stalls production. But it's also slow for investment. And that's the quiet part. Governments tighten rules, markets get cautious. It's not that silver demand is gone, it's that policy's choking the rally before it starts. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.